What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be reviewing the AULA F75 mechanical keyboard. Here's the box and everything. Different languages on the back. Right here it says mechanical keyboard. And right here you got AULA mechanical keyboard. Just look close up. Comes with 30-second quick operation guide and close up on the camera. Everything. That's the side. And here is a little, I guess, instruction manual. So anyways, the big part. Gotta get to the keyboard. Oh, man, this colorway is crazy, man. This is the emerald colorway with crescent moon switches. The box aside. Whew. Okay, let's do it. And this keyboard is an absolute beauty, man. I ain't even gonna type on it yet, man. Ain't gonna. It's a nice little cream, kind of lightish, darkish blue. Here's everything right here. Everything right here. USB stick for Bluetooth, Type-C cable, and Bluetooth connections. Man, that thought is just amazing. This was my previous keyboard. It was an RK71 Rail Clutch. I'm pretty sure this one had blue switches, and these keycaps I just got off Amazon. But this is this keyboard right here is just brand new out of the box. Like, I ain't making no modifications to it yet. This is a 75% keyboard. All right, so let's put away, move this up here. All right, let's see what's in the box now. So in the box, we have, are these crescent switches? We have a keycap puller, keycap switch puller. We have a USB-C type cable. And we have some more extra switch cables. Yep, that's pretty much it. I'm struggling to put it back again. Alright. This keyboard here has a volume knob right here. Are these crescent moons? I was supposed to get crescent moon switches. I'm pretty sure I might have messed up on that part. But anyways, let's turn this on. Oh. I know it's probably one of these. Actually, let's plug it in. Let's plug it in. Let's plug it in and see how it is. This stock on this keyboard is crazy. Let's see the colors and everything on here. I gotta go full in depth, so that way, you know, I know if y'all should pick it up or not. I do recommend this keyboard though, honestly. I mean, it's very good. Well, Mercury Precious is very good. I do know you can change the colors on here. I just have to find it. It's one of these buttons. Oh, right here. These are the colorways. This is one you click key, it lights up. So yeah, quick little sound test. Whew. This is another one. Back to rainbow. I really don't think these are the Chris and Williams switches. I really don't say. But this will, conclude the little video for today. I do plan on uploading more, dealing with the setup and stuff till we get to a certain point, in life. So, yeah. I hope this review helps you if you plan on buying a keyboard from AULA or, the F75 mechanical keyboard anytime soon. But other than that, I'll see y'all later.